Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Lexus shift knob easy method. Start by parking on a flat surface, set the parking brake, and turn off the ignition. Gently pull the shift boot up to expose the retaining clip or screw. Use a flat tool to release the clip or remove the screw with a Phillips. Twist and pull the knob straight up to avoid damaging the shaft or trim. Begin by gathering tools: trim tool, flat screwdriver, Phillips, and clean rag. Turn the key to accessory if needed to access shift or follow model-specific release methods. Remove center console trim pieces carefully to avoid breaking clips or scratching surfaces. Disconnect any electrical connectors under the boot if present before removing knob. Reinstall in reverse order, ensuring the knob aligns with the transmission selector correctly. Avoid forcing the knob, as doing so can strip threads or damage the shift shaft. If a retaining clip is stubborn, apply penetrating lubricant and let it sit briefly before prying. Label connectors to simplify reassembly and protect trim with painter's tape. If uncertain about electronics, consult a repair manual or a professional to prevent costly mistakes. Finish by wiping surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.